This man found iridescent blue egg on his way home after losing his job, unaware that this egg will change his life forever. Before he reached his door, the egg cracked open to reveal a tiny cobalt chick. He raised it like a child, teaching it many things like fetching and solve simple puzzles. One afternoon, he handed the bird his food together with his last money days. Later, the bird standing outside the window with the money and give it to him. He was so happy, and the bird sees it. Years passed, and the bird continued to bring him money every day until it had grown into a small fortune. In the end, the man's true savior arrived on feathered wings. Do this bird deserve a like?